Hello everyone, this is Sangeeta and welcome to Saayujyam, the Art Zone. We talked about the horizon line and the vanishing point in the last video while getting an idea about the perspective drawing. Today we will understand the importance of vanishing points and how to give life to our drawing using them. The reason I am emphasizing more on vanishing points is because that is the key to understand the perspective drawing and is very important. Before getting into it, let's understand the concept of perspective a little more. Perspective is a complex subject and is very important to understand its fundamentals to get an idea. I'll try to assist you, but a lot of things depends on your engagement and the ability to view things by observing a scene or an object on a surface. You may draw a scene from a worm's view on the ground or from a bird's view from the sky. The portrayal of the same objects changes in these different views. Now imagine when you are watching a movie. Everything you see in it is from the perspective of the camera. Perspective is a tool for you to convey the scene or message of the story you want to tell with your piece. So when you want to convey your thought through your drawing and think in that perspective, you have to first think where do you want to put your camera virtually. To be precise, from what view you are observing things from and project it through your drawing. Once you figure out this, you are ready to draw. When you create an illusional reality on the flat surface with depth is the linear perspective that makes use of converging lines and vanishing points. Now this is where the vanishing point comes into picture. It is a tool that you can use to assist you in creating the illusion of space. We saw that it exists on the horizon line. Changing the positions of these points will create different results. This is because there is a point of convergence and can be placed anywhere. A vanishing point represents the point at which two or more parallel lines will appear to converge and become one. It is a point of convergence in which the residing parallel lines diminish. As I had said, it's all based on one simple fact. Objects appear smaller as they move further and further away from the viewer. Eventually, the object can get so small and so far away that they seem to disappear together into a little point. This is called the vanishing point. It is very evident in reality. When we stand in middle of the road and notice how the sides of the road end at one point on the horizon. The center line of the road will go straight to that point. That point on intersection is the vanishing point. Everything diminishes as it converges favoring to the distance. Without it, everything will appear flat. There will be also no way to scale the sense of distance. This is a cube drawn with a vanishing point. A cube has 6 squares with 90-degree corners and 3 sets in parallel edges. Now what will happen if we draw a cube without a vanishing point? When we do not give a vanishing point, this will look weird and it no longer looks a cube from the other side. Vanishing points help giving the cubical view from all sides with accuracy. You might have heard of the terms 1 point, 2 point and 3 point perspectives and maybe 4 points and 5 points also. All that means is the amount of vanishing points used in that drawing. We are able to add multiple vanishing points in order to create different drawings that you probably guessed. The more vanishing points, the more complex it can be. We will understand that one by one in the coming videos of the series. Having talked about the vanishing points, I would like to give an example where the vanishing points are not seen and is imagined while drawing, like in this diagram with 2-point perspectives, in which the vanishing points are not seen as they are away from this image. This means you will have to estimate the point of convergence. I hope I was able to put across the concept of vanishing points. Thanks for watching this video. Let's meet in the next video on single point perspective. Till then, take care and bye-bye.